Summers come a little early for us, but now with the rising temperature every day, we hope you've stocked up your summer skincare essentials and your cart of lemon soda too. Now that the harsh winter season is over, we can feel the scorching heat already, and it's important to switch your skincare products according to the season. With the transition in weather, our skin changes and we need to have a set regime to keep us hydrated and fresh all day long. Hi, I'm Snehal from Team Quench, and I'm here to take you along for a quick summer skincare regime and some tips to keep in mind. Switch to gel-based face cleansers. No matter what your skin type is, it's essential to opt for a light, soothing and gel-based cleanser. These kinds of cleansers help in deep cleansing without stripping off the natural oils from your skin. The Chia Leader Shine Control Gel Face Wash comes packed with chia seed along with skin boosters like tea tree leaf extracts and orange peel oil. It's a quick skin detox face wash as it amps up your hydration level while strengthening the skin's barrier. Transition to lightweight moisturizers. During warmer months, it's time to bid adieu to your heavy-based moisturizers. Now, as the temperature shoots up, you'll sweat more and your skin might feel greasy after applying a thick layer of moisturizer. Swap it with a gel-based moisturizer that absorbs quickly into your skin. We recommend opting for Matcha Better Anti-Shine Moisturizer as it is packed with matcha green tea that works as a refreshment to your skin during summers. It has skin soothing benefits and Cica extracts to hydrate and tone your complexion. SPF equal to BFF. Warmer months means you'll be exposed to the sun more, and you should be prepared to safeguard your skin each morning by applying a generous layer of SPF. Our skin gets exposed to harmful UV rays, and yes, even indoors, that can cause premature aging, dullness, tanning, and exposure to free radicals. A broad spectrum SPF plus sunscreen will shield your skin from the harmful rays, so make sure you invest in one. Bravocado SPF 50 plus PA+++ sunscreen gel, a non-greasy formula that works best for summer as it comes loaded with nourishment of avocado that smooths your skin while protecting from environmental damage. Exfoliate once or twice a week. Your heavy pieces of clothing from the harsh winter months shouldn't be the only thing that you shed this season. Time to shed that dull and dry winter skin too that you have layered on your skin. Presenting Quench's Mama Cica Insta Bright Peel Pads, which are pre-soaked peeling pads formulated using a unique blend of glycolic acid and natural papaya extracts that gently exfoliate the skin and reveal clear, smooth skin. Exfoliate twice a week to avoid skin irritation, and if you have dry or sensitive skin, exfoliate only once a week. Invest in a face mask for an instant detox. Your skin needs hydration during summers, and what better can be included in your regime? Investing in a face mask like Yuzu Fine 2-in-1 Vitamin C Scrub and Clay Mask will work like magic. Enriched with Yuzu, a vitamin C superfood that unclogs pores and removes tan to reveal healthier looking complexion. For quick skin detox, try the bubble infused Matcha Better Bubble Sheet Mask. Packed with refreshing matcha green tea, bakuchiol and chamomile that helps to detoxify your skin, reduce irritation and prevent breakouts. Treat breakouts with care. With humidity at its peak, getting acne and breakouts is a common skincare concern. These acne can lead to skin irritation if not treated. You can treat them right with Mama Cica Zit Away treatment patches that come infused with acids such as salicylic and glycolic. Skin-loving ingredients such as tea tree leaf oil, aloe vera, witch hazel leaf that help in reducing future breakouts. Wear sun protective accessories and clothing. The most comfy summer clothes that one can opt for are the ones which are loose while adequately covering your skin. Opt for wide-brimmed hat and scarf that will help in protecting your face, neck and scalp. Now that your skin is summer ready, your skin looks as fresh as a glass of lemonade. If you find this helpful, do not forget to like, comment and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel Quench Botanics for more Korean skincare tips.